Hi guys, and welcome to my Gamesalad tutorial series. And today I'm going to give you a brief introduction to the main options, features and tabs. So let's begin. Clicking on File, the first main option is New. This will allow you to give a name to your project and select the platform you wish to test your game on. The next option is Publish. This will automatically zip your game and upload it to the Gamesalad cloud or your own personal Gamesalad portfolio, as you can see here. The next option is Export. Once again, this will zip your file, but instead of uploading to the cloud, it will save it to your desktop. Next is Networking. This only comes into play if you own your own server. And Preferences. This only comes into play when you are testing your Android game on an Android device, and it's something I will get into in a later video. And finally, Project Properties. This just lets you edit the name of your project and change the default platform. Edit speaks for itself. Layout. This works in tangent with layers. It allows you to define where your actors or your objects lie on your scene. I'll get into this in more detail in its own separate video. View. The only option it has is Debugger. This only comes into play when you are testing your game on a physical Android device. I'll show an example of this in a later video. Tools. You have APX Signer and Install Viewer Support. APX Signer is something you must do before you can upload your game to Google Play Store. And this Install Viewer Support is something you need to install onto the Gamesalad application to test your game on an Android device. And of course we have the help options. Moving down to the tabs, we have Scenes. Scenes are the canvases you create your levels on or your menu systems on. I'll show an example of this later on. Layers, once again, this works in tangent with layout. Actors. Actors works in tangent with media. You simply upload your media here, create a new actor here, drag your new media onto an actor you've created and drag it onto your scene. Behaviors. These work in tangent with rules. So when you select an actor, you will create rules for the actor to have a certain effect in the game, and the behaviors allow you to create these effects. I will show you examples of these behaviors and rules in a future video. And finally, tables. Tables allows you to create in-app tables, so you can have in-app purchasing in your games, and also create tables to record high scores, low scores, or bonuses in your game. Game. This tab here represents the main infrastructure of your game and allows you to set variables for your game, so you can create certain rules based on true or false or different variables. It also allows you to define the display size of your game and has many other features. Scene. This works in tangent with the scenes. So whatever scene you've got selected, this is the property of that scene. And the same with actor. This works in tangent with the actor tab above, and these are the properties of that actor. These are something I will get into in a later video. Above here are the different camera views. This reveals hidden objects on your screen. This removes the bottom dialog box, and of course to the right we have the coordinates. These come into play when you're creating certain rules for certain objects to pop up on your screen, and etc. And finally we have the view portfolio. This allows you to view the current saved versions of your game and is very helpful when you want to make changes to your game and perhaps you're afraid that change might damage your game. And that's it. In my next video I will be going into detail about layout and layers. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoy it and I hope it helps. Bye.